973518. Disturbance by destructive protest of funeral, burial services, or memorial services. 1. For the purpose of this section, the following terms shall have the following meanings. A. Funeral ceremony means a service or rite commemorating the deceased with the body present. B. Funeral service means any service which may be used to care for and prepare dead human bodies for burial, cremation, or any final disposition, and arrange, supervise, or conduct the funeral ceremony or the final disposition of a dead human body. C. Graveside service means a service or rite conducted at the place of commemorating the deceased with the body present. D. Memorial service means a ceremony or rite commemorating the deceased without the body present. E. Targeted residential picketing includes the following acts when committed on more than one occasion: marching, standing, or patrolling by one or more persons directed solely at a particular residential building in a manner that adversely affects the safety, security, and privacy of any occupant of the building, or marching, standing, or patrolling by one or more persons which prevents an occupant or residential building from gaining access to or exiting from the property on which the residential building is located. 2A. Whoever does any of the following shall be guilty of a misdemeanor: with intent to disrupt a funeral service, graveside service, memorial service, or funeral ceremony, protests, or pickets within 1,000 feet of the location or locations at which the service or ceremony is being conducted within 1 hour before, during, and 1 hour following the service or ceremony, with the intent to disrupt a funeral procession, impedes vehicles that are part of the funeral processions, intentionally blocks access to a funeral service, funeral ceremony, graveside service, memorial service, or engages in targeted residential picketing at the home or domicile of any surviving member of the deceased person's immediate family on the date of the service, ceremony, and upon conviction thereof shall be punished by a fine of not more than $500, or by imprisonment in the county jail not more than 6 months, or by both fine and imprisonment. Whoever is convicted of a secondary subsequent violation of Paragraph A shall be guilty of a gross misdemeanor, and upon conviction thereof shall be punished by a fine not more than $1,000, or by imprisonment in the county jail not more than 1 year, or by such fine and imprisonment. For purposes of this paragraph, a second violation includes a violation of a statute from another state in conformity with this statute. 3. In addition to the criminal penalties provided in subsection 2 of this section, the court may enjoin conduct prohibited in subsection 2 of this section, and may in such proceedings award damages, including attorney fees and other appropriate relief against a person if there is credible evidence that the person has violated or is likely to violate subsection 2 of this section. Any surviving member of the deceased person's immediate family member who is damaged or threatened with loss or injury by reasons of violation described in subsection 2 of this section is entitled to sue for and have injunction with relief of appropriate remedial compensation in any court of competent jurisdiction against any damages or threatened loss, injury by reason of violation thereof. It kind of goes back to the worship. Be respectful of them. Don't bother them in any way. They're at a time of loss. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.